particularly when it comes to millennials, I find them harder to relate to. And I haven't thought about this in any depth, but just off the top of the head, I find them selfie-obsessed and quite weirdly dressed and seemingly permanently quite unimpressed. That whole Netflix binging and copyright infringing, and they're constantly whinging, just leaves me cringing. They're relentlessly brunching and smashed avo munching, kale salad lunching and ab muscle crunching. They're Instagram updating, playlist creating, app generating and Tinder blind dating. They're overhydrating and gluten intolerating, the things that I find irritating and grating, as are their emoji fixations and weird abbreviations. These language mutilations lead to many frustrations, as do the gross violations of their body art decorations and celebrity and Snapchat and vampire fascinations. They seem desperately deluded. Good taste has eluded, but I should make very clear, present company excluded.